Hey guys, Amanda with Americana Gardens here, and this video is very special to me because I partnered with Brighttown. It's a lighting company. They both have, electrical plug-in lights, and they also have solar lights. Solar lights are great for me because my yard is fairly big for an in-town yard, and I can't really run electricity everywhere. So using solar lights really helps me navigate the yard, highlights important features. For one, I have the Moroccan lights that I'll be featuring in this video, and that's actually going to be on my willow tree above my hammock. I also have these flowering lilies that are lights, and they're going to go in the partial shade cottage garden. I think it's gonna look so magical over there, and you can see how I installed it and also the after effects of it in this video. So keep watching. You'll see both of the Moroccan lights and the daylily lights in this video. Okay, so this is the Moroccan lights here. They have this gold finish, and they have these decorative designs on them, and when the light shines from within the in this ball here, it projects onto the ground, and it looks so pretty and so romantic. And this is one of the reasons why I chose it. I was like, this is probably one of their most unique ones that I felt was appropriate in my garden. Now, this is the solar panel that it comes on. You just swap it over here. It has the modes and the on-off. I'm going to run up the wire and get this in the willow. It has been charging. These are the 4 colors that I received in the mail. We have this really pretty pink right here, like a fuchsia color. Now, these are actually a fabric. Oh look, they even have like the inside there to make it look more realistic. So this is the solar panel. There will be a clear sticker over top that you just peel it, and then on the bottom, here we go, you'll just switch it on and then leave it charged for 6 to 8 hours, and you should be ready to go. Also, these separate, so there's like a wire in the stems that you can help separate the flowers to make them look more full. There's also this what I'll call like a lipstick red, this very, very fine blue color. Let me see if I could, yeah, do you see that color? It's very pretty. These two are my favorite, the pink and the blues. And then we also have classic white. These are the stakes that you could put in the bottom here, which I will be doing in a moment. And then I'll be placing them around the garden. The flower lights are actually in the ground now. I received 8 of them in the mail, and tonight is going to be the testament on how they are. So keep watching. So the lights are just gorgeous. The lily lights in the partial sun garden are just magical to me. And then I also have the Moroccan lights by my hammock underneath the willow, and it is just so relaxing and calming and beautiful, and it just shows like how much lighting in your garden can just enhance everything about it and enhance how you feel about it, and not only just, you know, the aesthetics, but, you know, again, how you feel about it and how you relate to that area. I think that between the two, it's hard to pick a favorite. I was able to choose those two personally, those two designs to come to my house from Brighttown, but to pick which one is better, it's tough because they're totally different. They totally give off a different ambience to everything. So it's just an honor to be able to do this and share the experience with you. And if you like what you see, you can click like, subscribe. Also, leave a comment. That helps me out. You could also check out Brighttown's website. Everything about Brighttown is listed below in the description. So have a good night, everybody, or good morning, or whatever you're watching this video, and I'll check you soon. Bye.